Hello, beautiful women. I am Ishita Saluja, founder and head stylist at Ishita Saluja Image Consultancy. I style incredible women across the globe who are looking to reinvent themselves and looking for a boost in their confidence. Welcome to another video which is going to help you elevate your style and look your best. And in today's video, I am going to tell you something very important. हाउ टू फाइंड योर बॉडी शेप. आप अपनी बॉडी शेप को कैसे फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं सो दैट यू नो हाउ टू ड्रेस अप फॉर द सेम. सो फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट बॉडी शेप तो हम क्या बात करते हैं कि हमारी बॉडी जो हॉरिजॉन्टल मेजर होती है. नाउ एवरी वुमन इज डिफरेंट व्हेन इट कम्स टू देयर बॉडी शेप. सम वुमेन आर ब्रॉडर एट द हिप्स, सम वुमेन आर ब्रॉडर एट द चेस्ट एंड देयर सम द ब्रॉडेस्ट पार्ट फॉर देम इज देयर स्टमक. इसको रिकॉग्नाइज करना कि हमारी बॉडी का बिगेस्ट पार्ट क्या है, उससे डिराइव करना कि व्हाट इज आवर बॉडी शेप एंड देन ड्रेस अप करना टू क्रिएट अ बैलेंस इन योर बॉडी इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड ड्रेसिंग अप फॉर योर बॉडी शेप. इट्स ओके अगर आपको अपनी बॉडी शेप के लिए ड्रेसअप नहीं करना एंड यू वॉन्ट टू ड्रेसअप द वे यू फील इट इज राइट फॉर यू. एवरी वीडियो दैट वी डू इज ओनली एंड ओनली टू मेक योर ड्रेसिंग ईजियर एंड गिव यू सम गाइडलाइंस. यहाँ कोई रूल्स नहीं बता रहा है या कोई नहीं बता रहा है कि आप ऐसे ही कपड़े पहनिए. और हमेशा याद रखो, जब भी हमारी बॉडी में एक बैलेंस क्रिएट होता है विद आवर शोल्डर एंड आवर हिप्स, वी स्टार्ट लुकिंग नीटर एंड दैट्स ऑल वी आर एमिंग एट. सो इसके लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? सबसे पहले हमें चाहिए कि हम फिटेड कपड़ों में आए और दूसरा एन इंच टेप. You could easily wear your gym clothes like I have done. So सबसे पहले understand one thing कि 5 body shapes होती हैं. First triangle, second rectangle, third an inverted triangle, fourth hourglass, fifth round, sixth a full body. Now people will say कि pear shape क्या होती है और आपने apple shape cover नहीं किया. So let's make this clear and get this out of the way. Triangle is known as pear and round is known as apple. Now why don't I work with pear and apple? Because we are not fruits. We are not fruits, we are shapes. Let's call ourselves shapes and work around these shapes and stop calling yourself banana, pear or apple. So remember, if you're confused that I haven't covered these fruit shape, it's possibly you're missing out on this point that triangle is also known as pear and apple is also known as round. So let's get started. Now that you have got your fitted clothes in, I want you to grab an inch tape. Now understand one thing, जब भी हम body shape find out करते हैं हमें 3 measurements necessarily चाहिए होते हैं, but I like to add the 4th one as well. तो हम start करते हैं सबसे पहले measurement of your chest. So take your inch tape and you have to measure your chest at the fullest part, which is this. And you can't do this loose. ये ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए because यहाँ पे बहुत space है. इसको आपने fitted रखना है, wherein जहाँ पे एक फिंगर का भी गैप ना आए. ये आपके कपड़ों के मेजरमेंट्स नहीं है, ये आपके बॉडी शेप रिकॉग्नाइज करने के मेजरमेंट है. So this is what your chest measurement should look like, right? That's number 1. Now we go to your waist. Now a lot of people would give me waist at this place. This is not your waist. ये आपका stomach or what we call abdomen है. This is what is the waist. So if I can just pull in my t-shirt a little, you'll be able to see a natural curve here, which is your waist. This is also known as the thinnest part of your upper torso. So ये वाला जो part है जहाँ पे आपकी rib आती है is the second measurement that you would need. So again, I'm just going to go ahead, place it there and I'm going to go a little fitted and find out my waist, which is right here. Now that you have your waist, you can actually go ahead and measure your hip. जब आपने हिप मेजर कर रहे हैं, make sure that again that your inch tape is at the biggest or the fullest part. I'm just going to go ahead and measure it. Now my chest was about 36 and a half, my waist is 29 and a half, 30 and my hip clearly is 40, right? एक extra step जो ज़्यादातर लोग नहीं कहते हैं but I like to keep it is your abdomen, which is the navel part. I want you to take your measurement, put it where your navel would be, make sure कि वहाँ t-shirt ना आए and measure it tightly. Now that I have all my measurements, I'm going to make it easy for you and break it up for you. My chest is 36, My waist is about 29 and a half and my hip is 40. Even when I look in the mirror or even while you are looking at me, you can easily see that my hip or my thigh are the biggest measurement of my body. I can easily recognize that I am a triangular body shape because my hip is the biggest part of my measurement. If you have your hip as the biggest part, then you are a triangular body shape. Number 2, if your shoulders or your chest is the biggest part of your body, then you are an inverted triangle. Number 3, if your all body measurements are almost same, that means you are a rectangular body shape wherein you have less or no curves. If your chest and hip are almost equal but your waist is tinier, that means you would fall in the category of an hourglass. Remember, for you to be an hourglass, your waist needs to be at least 25 or 20% lesser than the rest of your two body parts that you have measured, chest and hip. Moving on to the next one. If the abdomen's measurements are more than the measurement of your chest, meaning that your stomach looks slightly out than your chest and your arms and legs are slightly on a thinner side as compared to the rest of your body, that means you are a round. Now do not confuse round with a curvy or a full body. People who are curvy or full body usually have their hip and chest comparatively fuller than the rest of the body shapes, and so is their stomach. Their arms and legs are also bigger as in proportion to the rest of their body. Now that you have found your body shape, I promise you your dressing is going to become easier. But if you're still confused, I would say go back to the video again, watch it again, and I promise you there'll be no confusion. Now, I'm going to give you few tips for each body shape so that your dressing is easier. But I promise you that in subsequent videos, I'm going to give tips for each body shapes individually. So let's get started. सबसे पहले we are going to talk about triangle. If you're a triangular body shape, which means your hip is your broadest part, then I'm going to give you 2 tips. Number 1, all the focus on the upper body. Number 2, try to wear darker colors on the bottom so that you're able to maintain a balance. Number 2, inverted triangle, which means your chest or your shoulders are broader and your legs and your hips are comparatively smaller than your upper body. Simple tips: avoid wearing close neck tops or t-shirts with leggings. They are going to make your body shape more obvious. And number 2, the easiest way to downplay your chest would be to wear rounder tops or v-neck tops. Number 3, a round body shape. Now, if you're a round body shape, जिसका मतलब आपका stomach is the biggest part of your body, then the easiest way is to dress up in a wrap top or a wrap dress. Now, wrap tops and wrap dresses are great when you want to downplay your stomach. What do you need to avoid is the thick belts. जितनी thick belts पहनेंगे उतना हमारा stomach focus में आएगा. So avoid thick belts and add wrap tops or dresses. So if you are in rectangular, let me tell you one easiest tip. Bring more focus on the waist. That means start wearing more fitted tops with wide leg jeans, or you can also try and add more belts to your wardrobe. The next body shape is hourglass, which means your chest and your hips are equal and you have a very narrow waist. Well, you can literally wear everything because you already have a balanced body. I would just tell you to bring more focus on that waist so that your body looks balanced always, and avoid wearing everything oversized because you can look boxy. And the last body shape, which is a full body shape, which means that your chest, stomach and hips are on the fuller side, and so are your arms and legs. Now for you, remember, balance is the key. So make sure you're balancing your outfits when you're wearing them. And number 2, what to avoid is wearing too fitted things together. So this is all about your body shapes. But like I said, remember, कोई भी रूल नहीं है, ये सिर्फ गाइडलाइंस हैं. So go ahead, make your own rules. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and do not forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends so that they can also find out their body shape. This is Ishita Saluja, your styling partner, signing off. Until then, remember, style is for everyone and yours is within you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you did like the video, then here is the next video I would suggest you to watch.